we have reached Gagnani. This is the bridge everybody has been talking about. The bridge that was washed away. You can see there, a permanent bridge that was completely taken away by the water that came from here. Even now, look at the force of the water. Of course, there are no rocks or boulders or muck in this water. Water is clean now, but imagine the force of the water that must have come through to take away, to sweep away this entire bridge made of concrete. Well, this bridge is gone now, but from what we know, right now there are trucks of GREF on their way to build this bridge once again. As we came, crossing the 2 road blocks that were repaired, 2 road sinks that have been repaired, this is the third point that needs to be fixed. And the GREF, which is a department, arm of the Border Road Organization, is now coming over here to fix this bridge. They have a truck loaded with the bridge supplies. It will be a metal bridge, a belly bridge it's called. And that will be constructed here temporarily. The amount of time taken, of course, cannot be estimated right now. But for sure, when we had spoken to the BRO officials, they had told us that it will take about 5 to 6 hours. Here we see a team of officials coming right now. So we can expect soon the GREF trucks, as soon as they can make their way over here, will be here. And there are remnants all around us, you can see, of that bridge that once existed, proved a lifeline for these villages. You know, imagine these villages are completely cut off right now. Completely. This is the SDRF team. Now they have a way. They are trying to assess the situation. Once this bridge is made, they will be able to go forward. Already the air link is open, but as we have been continuously asserting, if you need to move men, supplies in a mass movement, then you need the road link. And it is expected that this road link will be restored, and soon there will be help reaching those who need it. It is important for those also who are waiting across the lines for their loved ones, for news of their loved ones. There is no communication. It's a complete communication breakdown. We met people like that who are saying we want to go over there to look for our loved ones. So now all we need to wait for is the GREF to come here with their truck, with their bridge, and build this. This is Anjali Istawal from that bridge beyond Gagnani with Nasir Khan for India Today.